Swag, bitch.
Hey guys. This is Mr. Swaglord. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install and configure Hacker's Keyboard for Termux. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon. I post hacking and other related videos. So, let's get started.
Hacker's Keyboard is a free keyboard application for Android that works well as an all-purpose keyboard but also specifically for administrative tasks. It is a full 5-row keyboard which makes it work great with Termux. It provides working Tab Control Escape keys, and the arrow keys are essential for a terminal.
Now let's install it.
Go to Play Store and install Hacker's Keyboard. Open Hacker's Keyboard. Enable keyboard in the settings. Now select input method and choose Hacker's Keyboard. Click on settings. Now let's configure it for Termux. The important thing you should adjust is the keyboard height. For portrait and landscape, keyboard mod, the rows. You can also choose a theme you wish. I'm choosing the transparent theme. Pause the video if you need and configure the keyboard accordingly. Please like, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon for more. Chose full 5-row keys mode for landscape. That's it guys. You have successfully installed and configured the keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Please like and comment if you found it informative. Subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. Peace out.